What is going on, everybody? Today we got a new pouch in the house. It is from Data Crew. It is the water slider in Mojave. This pouch, I think, from what I'm seeing from a lot of guys, that this pouch is going to be very competitive with garage built gear. It's a little thicker, but it looks like it's going to really hold a lot bigger, thicker items than maybe garage built gear. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm excited to check it out. I bought this just almost a week ago, and we just got it in. So let's take a look at it and see how it stacks up. All right, let's open this big boy up. Okay, and we got a Ranger eye to go ahead and put on it too. Little burger with their logo Data Crew on it. Get that sucker out of there. Alright. Very, very cool. Okay. They got a lot of really cool Ranger eyes over there too, so that's always worth checking out also. So here you go. We got front pouch. Front little pocket here. Very nice. Got a kind of a sealed zipper to kind of help repel water, so that's really cool. You got it all the way around, so that is cool. Of course, you got a whole big section for your Ranger eyes right there, and this is a thick boy too. So let's go ahead and open up. I do believe this is there's a slider, and then this is the water slider. And the slider is, I think, like 1.5 inches, and the water slider, which is this one, is about 2 inches thick. So very, very nice. So here we go. We got some nice big pockets there and there. Then we got some little stretchier ones over here with a nice divide, and then a big pouch there, made in the USA. Very cool. And we have another little section in here too for Ranger eyes. This is also pretty cool. So you can stick your Ranger eyes in there. So that is cool. Let's get some inside measurements here so we have an idea of what we can maybe stick in these pockets. So get that all the way in there. So you're looking at about 4, maybe 4¼ inches right in the very center, you know, maybe, you know, give or take about 4¼ and it's probably going to be the same over here. Yeah, about the same over here. So very, very cool, like I said. And then you're looking at about 3 inches wide or so, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, about 3 inches there too. So very cool. Like I said, this is going to be a little thick for your pockets for sure, but very secure, very firm zipper, like that. Got a nice rugged build to it, so like the zipper part there. That's very nice. That's a cool extra feature there with them putting that loop section in there. Yeah, I'm very excited to check it out, and this is going to go good right up against all the other pouches that I'm sure you guys have seen on the channel. So yeah, it'll be very, very interesting. These are selling out. Actually, I think all the water sliders are sold out. There's a few of the sliders in stock, I do believe, right now, and that's their logo. So very, very cool. So there you guys go. It's the water slider by Data Crew. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check them out, see if they're in stock at the time that you are clicking on this video. Also check out the Ranger eyes and all the other cool stuff they got on there if you want. And we'll see you next time, guys. Have a great day.